In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your shipping address on eBay in just a few simple steps. Whether you're relocating, sending gifts elsewhere, or just keeping your records organized, updating your address on eBay is essential to ensure that your packages are delivered to the right place. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, let's navigate to the eBay website. You can do this simply by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL, which is www.ebay.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the eBay homepage. Here you might notice a multitude of enticing deals and categories, but let's stay focused on our task today. Now that we're at the home screen, the next thing you'll want to do is access your profile. You'll usually find this option on the top right corner of the page, often accompanied by your username or a generic profile icon. Go ahead and click on that to view a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to select Account Settings. This will direct you to the area where you can manage all aspects of your eBay account, from payment methods to preferences. Once you're in your account settings, look for the section labeled Addresses. This section is crucial for managing where your purchases will be sent. Click on Addresses to proceed. Here, you should see an area labeled Shipping Address. This is where your current shipping details are listed. If you have multiple addresses, they'll all be shown in a neat list. Your goal here is to edit your current shipping address or delete an outdated one if needed. Pay close attention to the Edit button located under Shipping Address. By clicking on this, you're given the option to either update the details of an existing address or remove it altogether. If you're updating, make sure all your information is accurate and meets any specific requirements your postal service might have. In this scenario, if your intention is to delete an outdated or incorrect address, simply locate the address you wish to remove and click Delete. Doing this will ensure that no future deliveries are mistakenly sent to the wrong location. And there you have it. You're all done. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively ensured that your eBay account is up to date with the correct shipping information. This not only saves you the hassle of dealing with misdelivered packages, but also ensures that your shopping experience remains seamless and enjoyable. Remember, keeping your shipping details current is a small yet vital part of online shopping. So make it a habit to review these details periodically, especially if you've moved or plan to ship gifts to someone else. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.